Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Human child throws me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My lungs were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you heard about me!
Amelia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down! They're looking for this girl! No humans back here!
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now!
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan! They'll never get her home now!
Welcome to the Himalaya!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mine, good lucky!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.